Hey everyone, Brooks here. I wanted to give a quick update on what's up with the YouTube channel and why are some fewer videos going to be coming out and what am I doing over on Twitch. So recently we finished the sort of zombie simulator project that had humans and zombies running around. We revamped the BBECS library for that. And now I'm going to be recording some tutorial videos on how to create your own ECS library in Rust. It's going to be a sort of a walkthrough tutorial. It's going to be using all the lessons that we learned live on Twitch. And then we're going to put all of these videos on YouTube after we're done with them. So I do have these recordings. As you can see, I've already recorded the resource part of this. And then we're going to start moving on to the entities as well. We'd love to have you join us. So if you do have time or you want to see these videos, the VODs are available for 2 weeks after recording. So you don't even have to watch live if you don't want to. I'll leave a link to my channel, my Twitch channel down in the description. We'd love to see you there. Otherwise, I'll see you when this tutorial is done and we get them uploaded. And then with that, have a great rest of your day and I'll see you later. Bye.